So a viewer of the channel sent me these two USB drives, and I thought that was kind of cool, and I thought, maybe I should make my own. He also sent me this Shioak, which, that's fun stuff. Let's dive in. Nothing's happening. Something's happening. Oh, really? I need more. So this is an older drive, so theoretically there should be something in there. Or not. That's it. There's the drive. Happy day. It's gonna be fun. Let me try this side and see how that one looks. So we're gonna have one line on that side and one line on that side. Wax makes the world go round. Here, let's set that aside for a little bit. And that looks like a thumb drive, right? Yeah, of course. Let's put that on there. Cool. Why? Because I'm out of disposable tips. The mixing tips are nice, but this works just fine. And then with the second one, I can get rid of any gaps. Ta-da! It squeaks. Now, make it smaller. Oh, you can't even see the seams. I like it. don't drop the stick. Don't, oops. Whew, that was close. So there you have it, thumb drive. This was kind of fun. It took about 45 minutes to an hour or so, and I like this with the Australian red gum, and then we have the live oak. The live oak actually came from Tally-Ho, which is a project I helped out with a while ago. Should probably go back out there sometime. And I love how this came out. So yeah, fun little project. If you're looking for something to give someone a digital item, that might be the way. Make it special, make it different, and have a little bit of fun with it. So I hope you like this. If you have any other thoughts, questions, ideas, snide remarks, throw those in the comments down below. Or even if you just simply type comment down below, thank you, it helps out the channel. Anytime you do that, or hit the like, share, subscribe, it gets us in front of more people, helps the channel grow, and keeps us here. If you'd like to take it even farther, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are all the fantastic, wonderful, and benevolent people over on Patreon. Without patrons, we wouldn't exist. It is honestly because of patrons we can keep this channel going. So if you'd like to help out with that, help us grow, help us do more, then think about becoming a patron. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. And that is exactly how you get your thumb drives to download data faster. You put a racing stripe on them.